What's up, creators? Angel Marie here, creator educator over at ConvertKit, here to talk to you all about the unique digital product ideas that you could sell. Let's dive in. All right, picture this. You wake up in the morning and you have a million things to check off your to-do list. Inbox management, client work, product development, you get the picture. Now, if you're like most creators, imagining that situation isn't difficult because you live it every day. But wouldn't it be nice to work less and earn more money? I have just a solution for you: digital products. Digital products offer creators the ability to earn scalable, passive income. But the hardest part about putting the strategy into play is coming up with the profitable digital products that will take your passive income to that very next level. So let's talk through some of those unique digital product ideas just to get you thinking. For photography and videography, create stock photos or presets. For educational resources, create courses or membership sites. For templates, you could create templates for email, Instagram, or even for resumes. For tech, create plugins or an actual software. For recordings, create an audio file or some sort of coaching file. For design, create graphics or fonts. There's so many unique digital product ideas that you could implement into your business. So with all of those in mind, what are you gonna sell? Now, once you actually choose what you're gonna sell, you have to bring it to life. Let's walk through how you can start selling your digital products this very week. To sell your digital product directly through ConvertKit, you're just gonna head up here to the Products tab. From there, you're gonna click New Product, and then you're gonna provide your product details. For today's example, let's say that I'm gonna be providing a blogging ebook to sell, and then you're gonna choose a pricing method, a one-time fee or a subscription on a recurring basis. For today's example, I'll choose one-time fee and give it a price point of $50. From there, choose Next. Now, if your product is a digital download, such as the ebook that I'm gonna be selling, then I would upload it right here. But if it's something else, like coaching or a specific service, I would highlight this. And if it's a newsletter, I would highlight the members-only newsletter option. But again, today's example, we're selling an ebook here, so I'll highlight a digital download and upload my blogging ebook that I'm gonna be selling. From there, just give it a few moments to upload, click Next, and then you're gonna create your product URL, first by choosing your custom domain name. Now, if you wanna know how to set this up, all you're gonna do is head up here to the drop-down menu and click on Account Settings to get your domain all set up. From there, you'll give it a specific URL and then click Create Product. Next, it'll redirect you to where you can customize what your product page looks like. You'll notice that anywhere that you click on here to change the headline or even the subtitle, the right side is gonna change along with you so that you can change the content styles that you desire. You can also upload an image that correlates with the product that you're gonna be selling. You can even customize the checkout page, the confirmation page, and the receipt email as well. Now, when you're all done with customizing, you're just gonna head up here to save, click on Publish, and this is your shareable product page link that you can start sharing with others in order to sell your unique digital product ideas. So you see, you literally can have a smooth buyer experience up and running in a matter of minutes. No need to worry about payment processors or e-commerce sites. We got you covered. If you'd like to give it a try for free, you can sign up by heading to the link down below. Thanks so much for spending the last couple of minutes with me, and we hope to see you in the next video.